Yes, hello guys, welcome to this video of today. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how to make a liquid organic fertilizer. So here, this is the maize that we have soaked. We have soaked this maize. He has given us this alcoholic, and here we are going to shifter it. There is aloe vera, and here is our garbage. We have banana peelings, watermelons, pawpaw, pineapple, and the rest that are inside this garbage. So we are going to use it to make our organic manure. First of all, we are going to shifter this. So this is the liquid that we are going to use. Okay, this is the aloe vera. We are going to cut this aloe vera into pieces. Then this is the water that we drain from the maize. That we are going to sieve our aloe vera and the garbage so that it should get rotten. After it get rotten, then we'll have the good organic liquid organic fertilizer. So let's slide this aloe vera. So this is our aloe vera that we have just sliced, and we are going to put it inside this garbage. This is our garbage. Just have to put this thing together. Then this is our water. We are going to put it inside. Yeah, this is it. You can see how it is. So we are going to cover and keep. So we have to cover it and keep it for days, weeks, or months, so that the fermentation can really take over, because the fermented corn is already alcoholic and is having a lot of nutrient. So we have to mix it with this one to make it digest very well and ferment. So that is a very good way to make a liquid fertilizer at home. The liquid organic fertilizer at home. This is the best method that you can ever do to have liquid fertilizer using organic product, using aloe vera, banana peelings, pineapple peelings, pawpaw peelings, carica papaya, agaricus, campatrus. You have to use them together so that it can ferment and give you a very good organic fertilizer for your garden, for your plantation, or whatever you want to use fertilizer to work. This method will work for you very well. How to prepare organic fertilizer at home. So we are doing this one at home. You can see this banana and watermelon are there. You can see there is pineapple peelings. you can see, these are pawpaw peelings, watermelon, and all the rest. So we have to cover it.